Hey, I'm Adam, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up the MyCanoe Solo 2 origami canoe real quick. It's actually pretty easy, and I've been surprised by how fast it is. So first thing you got to do is take off these initial clips, and it's kind of easier is to go ahead and pull these buckles all the way out, because they're going to help basically act like thwarts to pull the canoe together and keep everything taut. So next thing, you pull it apart like this. You see these inside parts kind of want to just pull themselves out, which actually makes it pretty convenient because that's the next step. So you can just grab one of them, pull it out. At the other end, doesn't really matter which order you do it in, but when you pack it back up, there are instructions in here that show you the order. So the next thing that you want to do is to kind of fold it back together just a little bit, and then take these straps that you already loosened up, put them back in. You can let the canoe go again. Cool, just like that. So this is probably going to be the hardest part about the setup. And basically what we're going to have to do is to pop these 4 joints on the inside out to form the shape of the hull. So I think it's easiest just to put my knee up against it and then just apply a little bit of force. There you go, that's the one side. Yeah, that's the other side. So from there, the next step is to take these buckles back off. This is going to allow you to pull the seat up and clip it into the sides. So to put the seat in, so to spread this out just a little bit, and then take the seat and kind of fold it up, and then fold it out, and then it'll kind of fold around itself just like that. And then fits into the side just like so, and then you're good to go. So after that, next thing you can do is take these end parts, fold them in. You want to fold the one without the clip on it in first, then fold the one with the clip over, and then clip it into the side. Get a better view of this on the other end. Same thing on the side without the clip, and fold that in, and fold the other side over, and clip it in right over here. And the last step, let's take these buckles, and all the way across again, cinch them up, just snug, doesn't have to be tight. And do the same thing for this rear one. And you're all set. One thing I do want to say is that you don't have to pop the seat up. If you want to just paddle kneeling in the bottom of the boat, you can just leave the seat totally flat and it'll paddle great. These will be a little bit tighter and the whole hull will be a little bit more narrow, but it's not a problem. Yeah, that's actually how I prefer to paddle. But yeah, this is the setup. If I wasn't talking, I'd be able to do it in about 2 minutes, which is pretty fast. I'll say faster than unstrapping it from the roof of the car. So yeah, there she is.